The first person to reach Mount Everest. Answer: Sherpa Tenzing and Edmund Hillary. The first person to reach North Pole. Answer: Robert Peary. The first person to reach South Pole. Answer: Amundsen. The first religion of the world. Answer: Hinduism. The first country to print a book. Answer: China. The first country to issue a paper currency. Answer: China. The first country to start competitive exam in civil services. Answer: China. The first president of U.S.A. Answer: George Washington. The first Prime Minister of Britain. Answer: Robert Walpole. The first Governor General of United Nations. Answer: Tribe Lee. The first country to win Football World Cup. Answer: Uruguay. The first country to prepare a constitution. Answer: U.S.A. The first Governor General of Pakistan. Answer: Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The first country to host NAM Summit. Answer: Yugoslavia. The first European to attack India. Answer: Alexander the Great. The first European to reach China. Answer: Marco Polo. The first person to fly aeroplane. Answer: Wright brothers. The first person to sail round the world. Answer: Ferdinand Magellan. The first country to send man to the moon. Answer: U.S.A. The first country to launch artificial satellite in the space. Answer: Russia. The first country to host modern Olympics. Answer: Greece. The first city on which the atom bomb was dropped. Answer: Hiroshima. The first person to land on the moon. Answer: Neil Armstrong. The first shuttle to go into space. Answer: Columbia. The first spacecraft to reach on Mars. Answer: Viking 1. The first woman Prime Minister of England. Answer: Margaret Thatcher. The first Muslim woman Prime Minister of a country. Answer: Benazir Bhutto. The first woman Prime Minister of a country. Answer: S. Bandaranaik. The first woman to climb Mount Everest. Answer: Junko Tabei. The first woman cosmonaut of the world. Answer: Valentina Tereshkova. The first woman president of UN General Assembly. Answer: Vijayalakshmi Pandit. The first man to fly into space. Answer: Yuri Gagarin. The first batter to score 3 test centuries in first, second and third match. Answer: Mohammad Azharuddin. The first man to have climbed Mount Everest twice. Answer: Nguyen Gambo. The first U.S. president to resign from presidency. Answer: Richard Nixon. Thanks for watching this video. Please do a like, share, comment. Then subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and click all to get notification of latest videos.